This is the beautiful vintage Coach large Daypack backpack, style number 9791. And this backpack was made in the US in 1999, and as you can see, it's in the color red. And something extra special about this bag is that it actually still has the original price tag on it. So it looks like it was never used. And this, like I mentioned, is the larger version of the Daypack backpack. Coach also made a smaller version, but this is the larger version, which I think is probably a little bit less common or a little bit more rare than the miniature, smaller version. But anyway, I'll go ahead and show you the backpack now. So as you can see, it's got this turn lock closure. And then when we open it, it's got a drawstring on the inside, right here. And here's what it looks like on the side. And then here's the back of the backpack. It's got adjustable shoulder straps, as you can see right here. And it's got a back zip pocket here as well. So you could put something back here in this pocket. And then it's also got the matching hang tag. So when we open the bag, it's also got an inside zip pocket. So now that we have the bag opened, you can see that it does have a zip pocket along the back of the bag, and then the crease is also back here. So you can see that the bag is authentic, but since it's kind of hard to pick it up, here's a photo of it as well. So that's the large Daypack bag. If you wanted to check out this bag further or were interested in it, it is available in our Etsy shop. So as always, I will link that below in the description box. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.